it's peach season, so we might have to get ourselves some George peaches while we're here. But this is usually a stop for us when we come back from North Carolina. It's kind of like right on the way. Lots of peaches. There's like rows and rows of them. Flowers. There's the eatery at Jaemore Farms. We already ate girls, so we might be stopping in there. But all kinds of things here. It's kind of like a farmer's market. Locally grown honey. Jams and jellies. That's always worth a perusal. Gift baskets. Apples of all sorts. We're almost heading into apple season. It's September. Just becoming September, so apple butter. More peaches. Go back to this side. Here you have cherries. These are muscadines. I'd never had a muscadine until we had some vine growing on a property that we had. And they're quite unique and they're delicious. Here's, ooh, figs. I definitely am getting some figs. Blueberries. And we've got squash, apples, onions. There's some ciders over there. Muscadine wine is kind of a popular thing in Georgia. It's very, very sweet. And okra. Okra is huge in the South. I like it just like kind of dry sauteed with some good Indian spices. It gets crispy and doesn't get mushy like, you know, you have it in stews and it gets mushy and kind of slimy. You have to know how to do it properly. But here's some local meats. And nuts. Tomatoes. Beans. I bought my daughter some pickles and things last time we were here. All kinds of sauces. Mustards, rubs. Everything. Oh. Spiced peaches. Very good. Egg noodles. My mom used to make homemade egg noodles and they're so, so good. And then they have all kinds of eats and treats. They're kind of known for their breads, like seasonal breads, pumpkin bread, banana bread, and cakes. Look at that angel food cake. Wow. And their pies are also very good. Fudge. flour breads. Blueberry. And apple cider donuts. It's the season for apple cider donuts. I don't know if they have those year round, but they're really good. We did indulge one time. Here's some soaps and things like that. Gift items. All kinds of stuff. More gift items. Hats and t-shirts. And then here's their pie kitchen. And ice cream. Jaemore Pie Kitchen. Here's the pie flavors of the day. But that's kind of like your basic tour at Jaemore Farms. So check it out if you're ever in North Georgia. It's definitely worth a stop, and the kids love it.